Hi guys! Pupunta kami ngayon sa IMG. Ayan. Dahil kay Kristen, ayan, pupunta kami sa IMG. Try namin pumunta doon. Hanapin namin. First time. So, yan ang aming OOTD with my husband. With jacket. Baka malamig doon. Kasi ang lola niya naka-sleeveless na namin. So, stay tuned! Going to IMG. Isa yan sa pinakamalaking theme park sa buong mundo. Ayan. First time namin makapunta dun, guys. Thank you for Kristen sa IMG voucher. So, ayan guys. I-try namin pumunta dun. So, hindi rin namin alam yung way. Pero nag-waste na kami going there or smart drive. So, stay tuned, guys. IMG. Kunti lang yung tao. So stay tuned. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead,
silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get.
Hi guys, ayan, nandito kami. Kung may baby lang sana kami, yan, mag-enjoy siya. So, yan ang view. So, parang may crocodile dun, oh. And then, may rides din dito. Pero, mostly ang mga rides dito, mga roller coaster, which is, hindi ako pwede doon. May phobia ako doon. So, ayan, pasyal-pasyal lang. So, ayan, guys. And then, dito. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa area na ng Marvel Universe. Ayan. We're here at area. Naman si Iron Man. Ang view. May dragon doon. Pag may kasama kang bata dito, yung mga pamangkin ko at pamangkin ng asawa ko, ay naku, mag-e-enjoy yung mga yun. Ayan guys. So may pa-trend sa mga bata. And then dito, rides. Mostly, roller coaster.
Say goodbye yet.
cannot change your mind, 'cause I don't think we're finished